Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I'm so happy to have you guys back. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Reetahh and this is Tea Spill with Reetahh, where we talk about things concerning health, lifestyle and Christianity. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing some tips on how to sleep and sleep fast. What actually inspired this video are the few friends I have that are always having issues sleeping. I noticed that this is the common thing, like a lot of us are having issues sleeping, and I'm just here to share a few tips. So let's just get right into the video. If you notice, when the weather is hot and you're trying to sleep, it's always very difficult. When the weather is cold and you're under your duvet, the sleep just comes. So what I'm trying to say is that try to sleep in a cool environment. If you have your AC, turn on your AC. If you have your fans, turn on your fans, if possible to the highest. Make sure the environment is cool enough. Then cover yourself and it will help you to sleep. If you want to sleep well, you need to make sure that you are in an environment that promotes that sleep or helps you to sleep. When you're in a dark room, your body starts getting relaxed. So when you want to sleep, turn off your lights. And if you're in an environment where you're maybe sharing a room with someone, you might want lights and the other person might not want lights, you can use eye bags. Another option is going off your phone 30 minutes to 1 hour before you want to sleep. Anything blue, like your phone, your system, your TV, whatever it is, and just focus on trying to make yourself sleep. Any heavy food, caffeine, alcohol, just avoid that 2 to 3 hours before your bedtime. I mean, that could be another thing hindering or stopping your sleep. Taking a warm bath before going to bed can actually help you relax your body, relax your muscles, and get your mind ready for sleep. So if you're finding it hard to sleep, try this and see if it works. Whenever we're trying to go to bed, most times our minds are clouded with thoughts. Take in deep breaths. A lot of things can just be going through your mind, so it's best to try not to think about these things or try to counter those thoughts with a positive thought. There are also sounds you can use which are white noise. They help you sleep faster. Search for the sound, plug your ears with your earphones. If you've not tried this, then you need to try it. And the final thing I'd like to say is setting time to sleep. You can set time for you to sleep, set time to wake up. Once you keep on conditioning your body to this routine, your body naturally just gets used to it. So once it's that time, you notice that you start feeling sleepy, and once it's close to that time that you normally wake up, you find out that you wake up. Maybe in school, you're always waking up at a particular time to read. Once you're out of school, your body just kind of keeps on with that pattern. And if you notice, to get to a point where even without setting an alarm, your body will just know, okay, this is the time I'm supposed to be sleeping, this is the time I'm supposed to wake up. Try this method and see if it actually helps you. But if you've tried all of this I've mentioned and you are still not able to sleep, end up sleeping like 2 hours or thereabouts in a day, when as an adult you're supposed to sleep 7 to 8 hours in a day. If you are still having issues with your sleep, please visit a healthcare professional so that the person can guide you on what's the next step to do, and if medications are needed, medications will be prescribed. So that is all I have to say for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you've not done that already. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I noticed that this is a common thing among ourselves, amongst us. Just try all these methods of all these bye.